Hello Nistas, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you my November fragrance haul, you guys. So if you're interested in seeing the things that I picked up in regards to fragrances for the month of November, please stay tuned. All right, you guys, so let's just get quickly into it. I did get a few fragrances. I got some perfume oils and some body oils. So let's just start with this discovery set I got from the house of Iyrah. I think it was around the second week in November. She made an announcement on her Instagram social media page that she had something coming out. I think it was November the 18th. So that kind of sparked my attention, and I went over and I started moving around because I have heard so many things about her fragrance Symphony. So I saw that she had this on sale. It normally retails for $125, but she had it on sale for $100 I don't remember what the big announcement was on the 18th, but I did pick this up, and these are 5 ml fragrance sampling sets or travel sets, however you consider them. But this, for this quartet here, I don't know if these are her best-selling ones, but I know this one is extremely popular, Symphony. But it comes with Opera, Nocturne, Symphony, and Act 1. So you guys, I am going to share my in-depth thoughts about the 4 fragrances here, and I'm looking forward to experiencing more from this house. Again, this is the house of Iyrah. All right, next up, you guys, I just could not resist it. I ended up getting this not on the day of the VIB sale, but because it went over into November, so probably the first week in November, I just went ahead and got me a 50 ml of the Marc Jacobs Absolute. And here it is, you guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I now wish that I had gotten it in a 100 ml, because out of all 3 perfect fragrances that I have, this one is by far my favorite one. So again, I picked up Perfect by Marc Jacobs, and this is the Absolute Flanker. Next up, you guys, I shared with you on my last fragrance haul that I had picked up a discovery set during the VIB sale from Sephora. So something in that set intrigued me quite a bit, and I enjoyed that sample, so I went ahead and I purchased the fragrance. This is one of their latest 2 that was released this summer. This is Showgirl. This is a fruity, sparkling, fresh take on a fragrance, and it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. If you have not checked out my thoughts on the discovery set, please click the card above. Next up, also from that same discovery set, I decided to pick up Langston. Also picked these up at the VIB sale because you get extra 20% off. So I got this one as well. This is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This fragrance has a rich, boozy quality to it. It has some chocolate, and it also has some rum in this fragrance. This is absolutely beautiful. I do think that this is a balanced unisex fragrance. So again, this is Langston from the Harlem Perfume Company. All right, next up, I picked up the latest from Kayali. I just picked up these 2, which were additions to her Oud collection. This is the Milky Musk Oud and the Chocolate Oud. These are beautiful fragrances as well. The Milky Musk is a beautiful, it's kind of lactonic in a sense, but it does have like a somewhat like a nutty quality to it for me. So I'm I'm not sure if and when I'll get this in a larger size, like a 50 ml, but it's absolutely beautiful. This one is also beautiful, you guys. I think I shared in my video, I featured these in my thoughts on the Freedom collection, but this one, you guys, it smells like the Angel Shares DNA, but it's just a fresher take on it, in my opinion. This one is closer to the latest flanker that was released, which is the Angel Shares on the Rocks. This is beautiful. If you wanted a fragrance in a very, very similar DNA, I'm talking about like a first cousin, I think that this is a good one if you do not want to spend that Killian money. So again, this is Chocolate Oud by Kayali. Now, the Freedom collection, these came with 4 new releases. Only the, which one is it? The Musk Santal, it came in full-size bottle, so it came in the 50 ml as well as the 100 ml. I'm not really sure if I'm going to upgrade this one because this was not my favorite one, although this is the headliner of the release. This was not my favorite one, and it's only because I do have fragrance in my collection that's very similar to this DNA, but this is Musk Santal 33 from the Freedom collection of Kayali. Also in that collection, she had a Musk Matcha. I think this one ranked like number 3. And a Musk Latte. I can't remember the order, y'all. Just go check the video out if you would. So I also got the Musk Latte. This is more like a musky, I can't really explain this latte one, but this one to me is more like a musky tea scent, in my opinion. But just check the video out. I can't recall it off the top of my head, but I got these, and my favorite one out of the collection, which surprisingly to me, is the Musk Bouquet. This right here has a beautiful floral fresh note that gives me a sense of nostalgia, you guys. So it is absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad that I have it to the collection. This is the one that I would probably consider getting a larger size if she released these in larger size. Now, moving on into the fragrance perfume oils, I picked up 2 of the Sand and Fogs. I got the Velvet Blossom, which is inspired by the Donna Born and Roma DNA. And I got the Vanilla Cake, which is inspired by the Escapade Gourmand, which to me, it is not the same. You know, I'm going to be a hard critic on the Escapade Gourmand because that is my favorite vanilla fragrance. But they are beautiful fragrances, perfect for layering. So I got these 2. And during the Brown Sugar Babe, Brown Friday, Black Friday sales, you guys, I picked up some of their perfume oils. I picked up the Princess Treatment. This is inspired by Killian's Princess. I just wanted to add this because I have the original Killian Princess and the Eau de Fresh, and I just wanted to have this just to elongate the wear of that fragrance DNA, because it is absolutely beautiful, and sometime by hour 6 I just don't smell it the way that I would like to. So I have this. I also added Rose, which is inspired by Roses on Ice by Killian, you guys. I got this because it was on clearance actually, so I got it for like, I think it was like $19, and yeah, I got it for like $19. So that's a pretty decent price for an inspired fragrance, even in the 2-ounce size from Brown Sugar Babe. So I picked up this, and I got the My Tribe, which is inspired by the Bud No. 9 Tribeca. I am out of that. I think that bottle will be in my next fragrance empty, so I do need to replenish my Bud No. 9 fragrance, but I do like pairing that fragrance, so I decided to just go ahead and get this oil on the 30% off sale. And I also picked up one of the latest release, which is Woody Spice, and it is inspired by the Cashmere and Palo Santos by Donna Karan, and it is very similar, very beautiful woody vanilla fragrance DNA. Really enjoying it. So I have that. And shout out to Brown Sugar Babe for their holiday packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. And because she just recently released the Luxe packaging, I decided to get my all-time favorite fragrance from the collection, which is Cloud 9 in the Luxe packaging with the brown crystals on it. I think this is so girly, so beautiful. It would be perfect if all of my bottles look like this. These do come in different fragrances. I don't think the entire collection that she has to offer come in this type of bottle. I think it's just a certain ones that come in this. I do think that there is probably a $20 upcharge for the crystals for this 4-ounce bottle, but I just wanted it not only for collection purposes, but I just love supporting the brand. And a big congratulations to Marquetta and her team over at Brown Sugar Babe. I was looking at something on Instagram today, and one of her team members in sales said that between Brown and Black Friday, there were over 20,000 orders placed. So you guys, that was very exciting for me. I tell you all the time, I love to see when women that look like me, and then I believe she's a Southern girl, like I said, when they make it, they do numbers like that. It is just such a beautiful thing. So business, major business, more opportunities. And what I do really enjoy about this fragrance and love about this fragrance is that she go out and she get other Black women to work for the brand. So it's like a win-win situation. You have beautiful Black content creators, and it doesn't appear that she only range for the people that have high numbers. I have seen content creators with smaller channels and lower numbers that are still ambassadors for this company. And I just want to say thank you to Marquetta. So big ups to Brown Sugar Babe. I want to thank everyone for coming back. I greatly appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Drop down in the comments anything that you added to the collection in the month of November, and also tell me what's on your Christmas list in regards to fragrances. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I greatly appreciate you. Smooches, smooches, smooches. And do not forget, you, yes, you are great. Bye-bye.